Are you looking for the best mini PC under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best mini PC under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FIREBAT A8 Mini Pc. FIREBAT A8 Ryzen Mini PC is equipped with 8-core/16-thread AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS, up to 5.1 GHz, with a base frequency of 3.8 GHz dynamic frequency of up to 5.1 GHz. FIREBAT Mini PC integrates AMD Radeon 780M 12-core 2700 MHz GPU to provide powerful graphics processing power to easily handle complex design software, 4K at 144Hz Ultra HD video editing and playback, or light gaming needs. It can connect up to 4 screens to efficiently handle your tasks and meet your specific needs. Capacity storage: this mini PC is equipped with AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 5600 MHz, upgradable to 96GB, 2x48GB, and 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, PCIe 4.0 upgradable up to 4T, 2x2 TB. This high-performance mini PC provides enough power and storage space to play, create, and enjoy all day long. FIREBAT Mini PC features 2 Ethernet LAN, RJ45, network interface speed up to 2.5 gigabits per second bandwidth rate, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, stronger anti-interference ability, and built-in Bluetooth 5.2, high-speed wireless connection to keep you one step ahead. And 4 USB 3.2 port, 10 gigabits per second, 2 USB 2.0 port, 1 HDMI 2.1 port, 1 DP 1.4 port, 2 USB-C port, USB 440 gigabits per second, 1 TF card slot and 2 3.55mm audio jacks, HP and mic, 1 DC jacks, which provides greater versatility for the user's use. Number 2. MAX B9 Power Mini PC. This microcomputer comes with Intel Core i9-12900HK processors, excellent CPU performance, can easily control various complex work procedures. Energy-saving design, perfect for office work, streaming video, web browsing, distance learning, and home entertainment. There's also an ultra-fast 1TB NVMe SSD and high-speed 24GB LPDDR5 memory to ensure fast boot times and rapid uploads. This small computer has generation AMD Radeon graphics that frequency is supports 4K 60Hz triple screen display. It can support up to 3 4K displays via DP port, HDMI port, Type-C, without any limitation on the combination used. Easy to enjoy web surfing, or connect to your projector as a home theater, enjoy a variety of entertainment. Number 3. GMKtec Mini PC K11 Mini PC. GMKtec K11 Mini PC equipped with the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS CPU, featuring 8 cores, 16 threads, and boost up to 5.4 GHz. It offers superior multitasking performance for demanding tasks like gaming and content creation, with energy-efficient power management at 35 WTDP. GMKtec K11 Mini computers comes with 32GB, dual-channel, DDR5 RAM at 5,600 metric tons per second, which can be expanded to 64GB and 1TB PCIe 4.0 M.2 2280 SSD supports dual PCIe Gen 4x4 SSD slots expanded up to 8 TB, ensures lightning-fast read/write speeds. The Oculink port enables higher bandwidth capabilities, better frame rates and lower lag. The standard also operates at PCIe X4 speeds, compared to Thunderbolt's X3. Gamers and content creators can benefit from Oculink's higher bandwidth, resulting in better performance and lower lag for eGPU setups. K11 Mini PC supports simultaneous 4K display output on 4 screens via HDMI 2.1, 4K at 60Hz, DisplayPort 2.1, 4K at 60Hz, and USB 4, up to 40 gigabits per second. Ideal for multitasking, it provides an immersive experience for professional work, gaming, and entertainment. Dual Intel NSE 2.5G LAN port design provides more applications, such as firewall, multi-channel aggregation, soft routing, file storage server, etc. Wi-Fi 6 provides a faster internet experience for browsing, streaming, and gaming. Built-in Bluetooth 5.2 is more stable and efficient to connect multiple wireless devices such as projector, printer, monitor, speakers, and etc. Number 4. MINISFORUM 890 Mauritanian UGIAS Mini PC. Compared to the traditional BIOS, the graphical BIOS features a more user-friendly configuration interface. It also offers more comprehensive options and more secure configuration management. The AMD Radeon 780M delivers competitive graphics performance even compared to desktop GPU. For independent displays with different contents provides a comfortable and relaxed experience. The 773 Mauritanian UGIAS Lite offers satisfying results in productivity and entertainment. Finishing office routines, watching films, and playing games are easier than ever. The 773 Mauritanian UGIAS Lite continues the upgrade-friendly design. The dual SODIMM slots for DDR5, M.2 2280 PCIe 4.0 SSD slot and the 2.5-inch SATA 3.0 HDD slot are all available for further upgrade. The thermal system allows the 773 Mauritanian UGIAS Lite to run at full load with relatively low temperatures and noise. The upgraded craftsmanship improves the stability and efficiency of liquid metal cooling. The liquid metal is able to transmit heat quickly. Furthermore, the smart fan with 120 blades can run at high RPM at a lower noise level. Number 5. Intel NUC 12th Mini PC. 12th generation Intel Core i5-1240p, Intel Iris Xe graphics, 12 processor cores, 4P plus 8E, 16 threads, 12 MB Intel Smart Cache, 35W TDP, cores, up to 4.4 GHz turbo, E-cores, up to 3.3 GHz turbo. Dual-channel DDR4-3200 SODIMMs, 1.2V, 64GB max M.222 by 80 km slot for PCIe X4 Gen 4 NVMe SSD, M.222 by 42 KB slot for PCIe X1 Gen 3, USB 3.2 Gen 2 and SATA SSD expandability. 2x Thunderbolt 4 ports, including DP 1.4a and USB 4, 2x front and 1x rear USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, 1x rear Type A and 2x internal USB 2.0 headers, 2x HDMI 2.1 TMDS compatible, 4K at 60 Hz, with built-in CC per port, 3.5mm front stereo headset jack, up to 7.1 multi-channel, or 8-channel, digital audio on HDMI. Intel i225 V10/100/1000/2500 Mbps RJ45 Ethernet discrete TPM 2.0, qualified for 24/7 operation. Intel Wi-Fi 6 EAX211, Gig Plus, on M.2 slot, Bluetooth 5.2,